Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to center two objects in TinkerCAD. So basically drag with your mouse like this and then go to Align tool or just click L on your keyboard. After that, when you click, you'll see these little dots. So just click on those, and as you can see, now those are centered in horizontal line. Now if you want to do center two objects like that, you just click right here, and now you'll be able just to adjust your orange figure or whatever figure you're using and just cut it or something like that, just for the alignment. Repeat it. Okay, so let's do that right now, and let's make a hole right here, and now just click union group. So as you can see, that's how you'll be able to center two objects. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.